Can you feel this melanin goodness? Like, just open up. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's a baby girl again, Moni Lagos, and I'm here with another video. I think that I need to enter studio for this song. But anyways, today's video is going to be get ready with me to go nowhere, because I'm just going to be in my house after the video, snap picture, and you know, other beautiful stuff. So I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. That means I'm going to do my makeup while I talk to you guys. First of all, I don't know what I'm talking about, but to God be the glory. So first, I want to use my contact lens. Get your contact lens from Moni Lagos Cosmetics. If you can't get fake, it will tear. It will tear. Buy from me. Okay. So I'll try and wear my contact lens on camera. If it doesn't work out, I'll wear it off camera and come back. Guys, this is my contact lens. Ooh, that was easy. Do you also like the color? Just look at. Ah, buy my contact lens. If you wear contact lenses and you don't tear up, come and tell me where you used to go and do your jowls from. I need to get. I'm not crying, no, you guys. It's contact lens. So the reason why you're supposed to moisturize is so that the makeup sits well on your skin. Everything will sink in. Do you get me? I'm a sucker for moisturizing skin. Like, I like skin work. You guys see, I like skin work a lot because I feel like it's just going to make your makeup look nice. Like, nobody really looks like an eyeshadow. Okay, eyeshadow is a thing, but nobody really checks it out. This is my primer. I'll put a list of all the products I'm using in the description box, because showing you guys right now might not be possible. If you have extra oily skin, right, your skin is very oily and you're looking for a budget friendly primer that is going to hold all that oil in, yeah, try Pond's. This Pond's, it is Pond's lasting oil control vanishing cream. A little goes a long way, so you just put that on the areas of your face that are always mostly oily. Please make sure you blend it in, and it gets dried easily, so it's not something that should be opened down or you put it on your face and you now go and do something. It's not gonna work. It's going to work, but it will be all white and the rest. So we move on to foundation. You can use your brush, you can use your beauty blender. I just feel like using beauty blender to apply my foundation. So this is the Zikel foundation in 030. That's bronze. That's my shade. So you guys, you see how this foundation blends in so well. Like, I like this foundation. All the products I'm using, right, all the products I'm going to be using today are less than 5,000 naira. Yeah, can only get it from Moni Lagos Cosmetics. Come and buy products from me, you will not hear. So the foundation sells for 2,500 naira currently. The Pond's primer sells for, I think, 2,500 naira to or 3,000, depends, because things are not expensive. So yeah, that's the Pond's primer. This primer sells for 2,000 naira, no, 2,500 now, because it's now bigger. My beauty blender sells for 1,000 naira. See, you guys, this thing works magic. Can you see how soft it is? Up next is concealer. So I'm using Zikel concealer. This concealer also sells for This concealer also sells for 1,500 naira. I'm still going with my blender because that's the mode we're in today. I'm just going to blend all that up. This concealer is actually very nice. Like, I've been using it now for like maybe just a month or so, but it's nice. It's very nice. It blends out very well. So this method I'm doing, you guys, I just learned it and I feel like it's gonna be nice. Setting spray. I use my setting spray to set all that. So that is dried. I'm going to use my Zikel Cosmetics powder palette, the smaller one. This sells for 5,000 naira, but like if you are doing your personal makeup, you don't need this palette because it has too many shades that you're not going to use. So you rather just buy the face definer, which sells for about 2,500 or 2,000 naira, and you buy your normal powder, which is 2,000 naira or 2,500. Yeah, normal powder sells for 2,500. Check Money Lagos Cosmetics for the prices of all these things I'm saying. So I'm just setting my under eye with powder that's a bit lighter than my shade from that palette. With that, I'm going to use like a white, there's always a white powder on every palette. I'm just going to put that here to catch fallout from my eyeshadow. So next up is my eyebrow. I'm going to be using Beauty Line by Didi. This is like the celebrity eyebrow pencil in Nigeria currently. I really might not conceal the top of my brows because that thing stresses me. I'm back with my eyebrows done. They are quite big, but what can a man do? So I'm sorry to ask you guys, but am I the only one that doesn't like Burna Boy's new album, the Twice as Tall? I'm just saying though, my opinion, I don't see anything special in that album. I'm using my eyeshadow primer. This is from LA Girl. Sincerely, I don't think the album is that lit the way everybody's shouting it, but what do I know? So I'm blending that into my eyelid. I'm first doing my transition color because that's what everybody does. I'm joking. Yeah, I'm just in the mood for purple. By the way, you guys, a new Netflix recommendation is coming soon. Yeah, I'm still watching some movies. I'll use that transition color to blend out the edges of the purple. Yeah. Up next is eyeliner. This eyeliner is MN's Dynamic Eyeliner. This is me just wondering why I decided to use eyeliner. But that is done. We move on. Either way, it's mascara. This lash glue is the truth that nobody has told me. I've not found anyone better. If you have anyone better, let me know. That is not bonding glue. Put on the glue. I'll wait for it to get tacky and smack it on. It's tacky enough now, so I use my mirror, please, no vex. Place it on the lashes, right on it, yeah. Looking down to the mirror while applying your lashes is makes it very easy. Lashes on. My tweezers are also from Money Lagos Cosmetics. They're about 500 naira, just 500, and I've been using this one since last year August. 1 year. It's not breaking, it's not rusting, nothing like that. So, and it's just 500 naira, so it's quite affordable. All onto contour. using my powder off that same palette, but I told you before, good face powder like Zikel is 2.5, so you can just get that. I'm dusting off the excess from my under eye. And I'm going to use that to set all the whole of my face. It's time for blush. Setting spray again. This setting spray is from Karite makeup. It is also 2.5. Yeah, it sells for 2.5, 2,500 naira. So for my highlights, I'm going to use this bronzer. So I've had this since like 2 years now. It sells for 1,000 naira. I can't find the cover, but I'll insert a picture somewhere here, so that you see what it looks like. I'm telling you, a little of this thing goes a long way. I put like this, dust off the excesses. Can you see that? Can you see that? Sells for 1,000 naira, 1K. This highlighter is legit pretty. Can you? Oh, Jesus! Just look at. 1,000 naira, guys. 1K, just 1,000 naira. Look at the beauty it's doing. So for my lips, I'm going to be mixing these two nude lip colors. They're from Beyond Beauty and they sell for 500 naira each. 500 naira. Before I talk about it, I need you to see why I'm going to making noise about it. So I'm going to just put a bit on my brush. A lot of times I don't line my lips because they are naturally lined from God. All I need to do is put the color I want in the middle. Can you see this lipstick? 500 naira. I don't know. I really don't know why you've not bought stuff from Lagos yet. Then I'm putting the other pink one in the middle. Lip gloss, NK lip gloss from Lagos also. This one too sells for 500 naira. Just put that and everything on this face is less than 5,000 naira. Sincerely, look at everything is less than 5,000 naira. I'm going to pack my hair and come back. So you guys, I'm back. I had to pack my hair. We took like about almost an hour, no jokes. I had to pack my hair, put on my earrings, you know. Can you feel this melanin goodness? Like, just look at. Okay, that'll be the end of today's video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. By the way, we hit 150 subscribers. We're getting there. One hour a day. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And don't forget to tell them to also subscribe to continue to see the goodness I bring to you every Friday. And please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. The handles are right here. They've been showing here since God knows when. So subscribe, follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. Let us be friends. Let's gist, let's talk. Don't still forget to subscribe to my channel. I've been begging you since all these days, so subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. I love you guys. See you guys next time, my next video. But before we go, guys see in my next video.